Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amanda. Today we are coming back at it again with another NYX look. This is NYX Lippie Countdown look number 5, and it is Vlogmas day 10. So I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas and all the videos thus far. I think today this is one of my favorite looks that we've created thus far. It's still super basic, simple. I feel like anyone can do it, but it's a little bit more smoky, maybe a little bit more for like a going out look. The lip I'm not a huge fan of, but we'll get into this further in the video. But today we're gonna be using day 7 and 8 products to create this look. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get straight into today's look. So today we're gonna be going in with day 7 and 8. I'm gonna go grab these products. We're gonna do a super warm brown look today. I'm really excited for this one. I feel like these products are the two in the whole thing that I'm like most excited to use. So I'm excited to finally be doing today's look. As per usual and as per your request, we are gonna continue to do pretty like natural, everyday, easy looks, more achievable looks, and more chance for you to actually be able to recreate these looks in your own life. So the first product we're gonna be using is day 7. This is the NYX Butter Gloss in Cinnamon Roll. And the second product is another Utopia shimmer. This is the Brown Shimmer Pressed Pigment. Someone pointed out in one of my videos today, I think it was the pink look that I did, not to use on or around the eye area, which is confusing because when I've tried to go and link these products for you guys, the only place they come up is in an eyeshadow palette of theirs called Utopia. So I'm gonna take one for the team here, okay? We're gonna put it on the eye again. I didn't have a problem using it with the pink one. Or is that the day that like all of a sudden I couldn't see? It's possible. I think I got it in my eye. Something's not right. I can't see. But I really think it was the shadow primer. I don't know. I'm gonna take one for the team again. We're gonna try it out, okay? So we're gonna start by going in with, I believe this is day 3. Day 3. The eyeshadow primer. And we're just gonna prime the lids. Eyebrows are really looking like distant cousins today. Really not happening. I am very sorry. Not gonna zoom in as close as I have been doing because as you've seen in tons of the videos, I end up completely not showing what I'm doing at all on the eyelids, so that's pretty annoying. We're gonna go ahead and tap this out. The lid is primed. You guys are probably getting super sick of me doing this, but you could also use any eyeshadows or whatever that you like, but this kind of just works well for me. So I'm gonna go in with my big fluffy Morphe JH30 brush. I'm gonna go in with my bronzers and I'm gonna set it with the Too Faced Milk Chocolate Soleil bronzer to start off that warm kind of brown look. Use it as my transition shade, but like I said, feel free to go in with whatever like light brown eyeshadow or anything else that you have that you would rather use. But again, we're trying to create achievable everyday looks, and so the chances of you guys having, you know, a bronzer versus maybe like 100 different brown eyeshadows, I feel like is, you know, a greater chance. Okay, I kind of don't like how it looks on my lids with using the eyeshadow primer, but I mean, it's doing its job. It's picking up its pigment more, but I just don't know if I like it that much. Okay, I feel like it looks a little bit darker in person than it does on camera, but I am still gonna go in with the Hoola bronzer and kind of concentrate this in the crease area. This is just gonna be kind of like a warm, toasty look. That's just the vibes I get from these colors, so And I just feel like the undertone of this shadow just goes really well with kind of like the cool tones of these bronzers that I have. So that's really the main reason that I want to use these. This brow is gonna literally drive me into the grave today. Okay, I'm gonna play with a little bit more for this product, just not all the way in. Clean off this brush on my hand. I'm gonna go in with my Sigma Eye Shading E55 brush. This is the same brush I used for that pink pigment that we used the other day. Because this is a shimmer, I want to really just concentrate it on the lid. I really like this. I really like this. It's kind of a little like, ooh, lots of fallout. Okay, maybe that's why it says not to use near your eye. I don't know. Just going to, I'm gonna lean weird so that it doesn't fall on my face, hopefully. And I'm keeping my eyes pretty shut while using these because now I'm a little bit afraid. I think this is really a cool color. It kind of has an iridescent like sheen to it, which I feel like typically I would not go for, but I don't know, something about this I really am a huge fan of. I feel like you guys aren't getting like a good, I don't know. Maybe you can tell, I don't know. I feel like it looks like darker and moodier like in person. I don't know, I really like it. I think I am going to kind of smoke out my bottom lash line too though, because I feel like it is kind of like a moody nighttime kind of vibe. Do I have any brushes for that? I'm just gonna take my Sigma E45 small tapered blending and I am going to drag my Hoola bronzer, just kind of like smoke out the bottom lash line. I don't really want to bring the shimmer down there because I feel like that's like a big no. That's in my eye. Really makes the eyes pop. Now we're gonna go in with the lip. I will go off camera and finish off the eyes, but I feel like we're gonna do this first. Okay, so this is like a little bit darker than I was expecting. Just because it is a butter gloss, I figured it was gonna be a little bit more sheen. It does like go with the eye color well. I just don't know if I like love how it looks on me personally. I feel like it like really like grays me out, if that makes any sense. So maybe we'll feel differently when we finish off the eyes. So I'm gonna come right back with the eyes all finished and we'll show you guys the final look. Okay, you guys, that is it. The look is complete. I went ahead and threw on some mascara, my favorite lashes. They still have a little bit of gold glitter left on them, so we're gonna need a new pair. And I actually ended up tight lining my tight line with the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in the color 2 Hot Chocolate. So I will just pull you in, show you guys the finished look up close, and finish off today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I feel like this is definitely one of my favorite ones. I still don't know if I'm like thrilled with the lip color just because like I said, I feel like it just like grays me out. But I really am a huge fan of the pressed pigment. Unsure why I'm not supposed to be using it near my eyes, but so far so good. So updates to come. I did just get my eyes checked yesterday after using the last pressed pigment, and he said everything looks great and healthy. So it couldn't have done anything that bad, but we'll see about this one. And I'm really sorry if you used that product after I used it. And we're not supposed to, so. As always, if you guys recreate this look, be sure to go ahead and tag me in it, but for legal reasons, I didn't tell you to put the pressed pigment on or around your eyes. Okay. Okay. Thank you guys again so much for watching today's video. Until tomorrow, stay blessed and don't forget to live lovely. Bye.